Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. And if you're new here, please feel free to subscribe. On this channel, I show you every single day how to draw something. So today I'm going to show you how to draw Ugly Sonic. And this is a request from this wonderful person right here. So please note, guys, if you have a request, something you'd like to learn how to draw, let me know in the comments below, and I would love to draw it for you and show you how to draw it too. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna start drawing our ugly Sonic with his nose. So we're gonna do a pointy little nose like that. And have a little curve there at the bottom. And then we can come on down a little bit there on that side and do a little hill shape there. So then we can come on over a bit more and on this side as well. And now let's start with those eyes. So we're going to come on up and do a curve and have one eye right here. And then over here, we're going to try to make it around the same height. And we'll do another curve and have the other eye right here. So we'll do another curve in this shape and a smaller one. And then right here, let's do another one of those curves and another one. And then this spot here, we can color that in all dark. And same over here. Oh, sorry guys, I apologize. That little noise was my phone. Okay. So next, let's do the side here. Give them a little bit of a cheek, and we can come on in. And over here, we can do the same. And let's give them a little bit of a smile. And let's have it as an open mouth smile, so we can see those teeth. So let's see, I'm going to do a little line here. This would be like the middle of his face. And we can do a few little human teeth. Like that. And let's do the bottom of the mouth. And then we can color that in all dark. Okay, and now underneath the mouth, I'm just going to do a little line like that. And now we can finish off that part of his face. Like that. Okay, so now up above the eyes, I'm just going to do just a little curved line above those eyes. And now let's come on up. Up, up, up. And I'm going to give him an ear right here. He's got those pointy ears. Now I'm going to give him, he's got some sunglasses. I'll give him those sunglasses at the top of his head in a moment. But we can do a few little fluffy, not fluffy, but little strokes here to show texture of the fur. And now we'll do the other ear. Add a few more little strokes here for texture. And let's do some sunglasses here now. So we can start by doing a shape like this. And then give it a little bit of room and do another one like that. And now we can just kind of follow that same shape. And then do a little dent here in the middle. And then come on up. Okay, now he's got some sunglasses there sitting at the top of his head. Now before I do the big spikes on the back of his head, I'm gonna do a little bit more down here first. So let's see, let's do the neck. I think he's looking pretty good already. And we can come on down like this. And let's draw his outfit. So he's wearing like a coat. This is like the collar on one side. And come down a bit more. And we can give him a shoulder. And the elbow here. All right, so we've got one arm here done, and let's do a hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, and we can do a thumb here. And do a little line here for the inside of the sleeve. We can color that in dark if we want. And bring this line of the coat down further. And let's do the other side, the other line for the coat here. And let's see, this line here, let's bring that down. The other line for the coat on the other side. And we can do the collar there. Try to make it the same level as this one. So one isn't too short and the other's too long or anything. And just keep on going. Do another little line coming down. And another shoulder. Let's do another hand. This one's going to be more like a fist. But not quite. Okay, so we've got like his thumb and then his fingers there inside. All right, so now let's do those spikes on the back of the head. Do a line like that, and then we'll do one that's kind of behind the head there. Do a line right here. So now we've got that spike. And over here, we've got one on this side, like that. All right, so we're not quite done yet. We're gonna do a little curve right here. And we can do like a little line right here to show like a little bit of a belly. He's got a little bit of a belly. And down here, we're gonna do a little curve too. Okay, and we are all finished our drawing, and I'm gonna add some color. All right, everyone, we are finished our ugly Sonic. Let me know in the comments how you think it turned out, and don't forget to let me know in the comments below what you would like to learn how to draw next. So, folks, thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!